my name is Dario Emil Marquette. I'm gonna show you how you fold a paper airplane. First, you fold it on like this. You see, there's this, so you cut it a little bit. Then you do the same thing with the other side. Then you do the same thing with the other side. You fold it again, and then fold it again. So the sides are both even. You might want to take a little bit of this underneath, and then you might need to grab some scissors. If you don't, you can just go pause it and cut and go get your scissors. Then you fold it like that, and then you fold it again, and then you fold it again. It's a really good fly. It ends up to look like this. Then you fly it. It lands on your couch. Sometimes if you're on the table. Bye.